ComfortBilt HP22-N, our find for best pellet stove overall. If you want whole home warmth from a pellet stove that's easy to live with, the ComfortBilt HP22-N stands out. Built from durable iron with a clean black finish, it arrives ready to go. No assembly required, so you can focus on heating, not setup. You'll get serious output for real-world spaces. The HP22-N is rated to heat up to 2,800 square feet, making it a strong fit for open living areas and larger homes. An 80-pound hopper reduces refills and supports long, steady burn times, while auto ignition gets you started with a button press instead of matches. Comfort control is straightforward. Use the programmable thermostat to set your preferred temperature and let the stove maintain it automatically. A powerful built-in blower circulates warm air efficiently, helping reduce cold spots and bringing rooms up to temperature faster. Day-to-day use is designed to be practical. The unit requires proper ventilation for safe operation, and routine upkeep keeps performance consistent over the season. Owners consistently rate the HP22-N highly for reliability and ease of use, which means fewer headaches and more predictable heat when you need it most. If you're looking for the best pellet stove overall, one that balances heating capacity, convenience, and dependable performance, the ComfortBilt HP22-N delivers a warm, controlled environment with minimal fuss.